Let's go let the chickies out. I accidentally cracked one of these double yolks yesterday, so I'm gonna squish it really hard on the ground so they don't know what it is and then feed it to them. Good morning, everyone. Hi. Hopefully they can't tell what that was. Hi, how are my little peeps doing, huh? What's up? We got one little guy over there so far today. Put it in the basket. How are we doing on water? Ooh, definitely need some more. Hi, baby girl. Meow, meow. All right, let's go bring this back to the chickies. All right, there you go, babies. Okay, just the one so far.